Yo, what's up, everybody? It's your boy Michael Kirtle Arma back at it again with a brand new video, and let me tell you, this one's gonna be huge. We're diving deep into the world of success, unlocking the secrets. We're talking 50, that's right, 50 life hacks you absolutely cannot miss. So, strap in, hit that subscribe button, and get ready for a wild ride. Let's do this. Let's kick things off with the foundation of any successful journey: setting clear goals. Not vague resolutions you forget by February. Specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound goals. Know what you want, how, and when you'll get there. Your goals are your North Star, guiding you. Grab a notebook or app and get specific. Get clear on your goals and watch your life transform. Let's talk about the F word. And no, not that F word. I'm talking about failure. It's an essential part of the journey. I've had my fair share of failures, projects that flopped, ideas that never saw the light of day. Each failure taught me something valuable. It pushed me to adapt, to learn, to come back stronger. You're gonna stumble, you're gonna fall, but it's how you pick yourself up that defines you. Embrace those failures, learn from them, and let them fuel your fire. Every successful person has a story of failure, a story of resilience, a story of getting back up and crushing it. Yo, what's up, everybody? It's Michael. Let's talk about learning, not cramming for some test. Constantly push yourself, expand your knowledge, become better. The world's changing fast. What worked yesterday might be obsolete tomorrow. Be like a shark, always moving forward, always learning. Make learning a non-negotiable part of your routine. All right, let's talk about networking. Networking is just building relationships. It's about connecting with people, sharing ideas, and supporting each other. We're meant to collaborate and help each other rise. Genuine connection can't be forced. Be genuinely interested, ask questions, and listen actively. Approach networking with authenticity and mutual benefit. All right, let's talk about something super important. Your attitude. Life's gonna throw you curveballs. The question is, how are you going to respond? You can choose to dwell on the negative or find the silver lining. Focus on the positive, on what you can control. It's like a muscle. The more you exercise it, the stronger it gets. Surround yourself with positive people. Practice gratitude. Remember, your attitude shapes your reality. Choose to see the good. Believe in yourself. We're talking about time management, people. Not just managing it, but owning it. Every second that ticks by, that's a second you don't get back. Closer to your dreams or further away. So how do we grab time by the horns? It's about priorities. You want to scroll for hours? Fine, but don't say you don't have time for goals. Write down everything you do for a day. You'll be surprised how much time we waste. Organized chaos. Imagine that's your day. To take control, you need a plan. Scheduling, to-do lists, the works. Find what works for you. Give time a structure. Assign it a purpose. You're directing your day. You're the director of your own life. Let's make this a blockbuster. All right, let's talk money. Not about making it rain, though. That's always nice. I'm talking about understanding it, being financially literate. Money isn't everything, but not having it can mess with your flow. Know where your money is going. Track your spending. Awareness is key. Start plugging financial leaks. Enjoy life, but understand need versus want. Learn to save. It's about having control and options. All right, we're talking about the one and only body you get. If your body's running on fumes, you're going nowhere. Trust me, I've been there. First up, fuel. You wouldn't put junk in a Ferrari, would you? Same goes for your body. Eat clean, real food. Hydrate like your life depends on it. Next up, movement. Move your body every day. Walk, run, dance, and sleep, people, sleep. Aim for 7, 8 hours. Trust me, your body will thank you. Yo, what's up, everybody? It's Michael Kirtle Arma, back with another life hack. This one is huge, and it's really helped me center myself. It's all about mindfulness, being present right here, right now, not caught up in yesterday's drama or tomorrow's to-do list. Mindfulness is like hitting close all tabs and just focusing on what's in front of you. Tune into your breath, your senses, and observe your thoughts without judgment. Just find a quiet spot, close your eyes, and focus on your breath. Inhale, exhale. It might feel weird at first, but trust me, the more you practice, the easier it gets. Mindfulness helps you manage stress and make clearer decisions. Give it a shot. Seriously, you won't regret it. Let's talk about one of the most important ingredients for success: persistence. It's that fire in your belly that keeps you going even when things get tough. We all face setbacks, those moments where you just want to throw in the towel. True champions rise above the challenges. Every successful person you admire faced rejection and failure on their journey. So next time you hit a wall, remember, persistence is key. Let's talk about a life skill that's more valuable than ever: adaptability. It's about rolling with the punches and thriving in a constantly changing world. Technology evolves, trends come and go, and the world throws curveballs. Being adaptable means being open to new ideas and ways of doing things. So be like a chameleon, blend in, adjust, and adapt to your environment. Because the only constant is change, and those who embrace it will always come out on top. Yo, what's up everybody? It's MK here, back with another episode of Unlock Success. Today, we're diving into a big one: leadership. Now, you might be thinking, leadership? That's not for me, because leadership isn't about titles or corner offices. It's a mindset, a way of being. It's about inspiring others and working together towards a common goal. Leadership skills are invaluable. The first step is simple: believe in yourself. You gotta be the one to light that fire in your belly. Real leadership is about listening and creating an environment where everyone feels valued and empowered. A leader rolls up their sleeves and gets in the trenches with their team. All right, guys, let's talk boundaries. Setting boundaries is about protecting your time, your energy, your sanity. Think of it like this: your life is your masterpiece. You wouldn't let just anyone come in and scribble all over it. Be selective about what you allow in. This means learning to say no. It's about designing a life where you can thrive. Let's talk about the two-letter word that can change your life: no. Sounds simple, right? But we all know it can be one of the hardest words to say. Every time you say yes to something, you're saying no to something else. Maybe you're saying no to time with your family, no to working on your passion project. Learning to say no is about taking control of your life. It's about prioritizing what truly matters. There's an art to it, a way to decline gracefully. Be honest, be polite, but be firm. The more you practice saying no, the easier it gets. You'll start to feel more empowered, more in control of your destiny. We talk a lot about the hustle, the grind, the relentless